Good morning to one and all. So welcome to the tricks that I would be discussing for tool signature for ASA to ORS conversion. So this is the representation of a single point cutting tool which has various cutting edge angles to facilitate chip flow and surface finish and tool life, etc. So what is tool signature? So tool signature is numerical method of identification of tool. So this was the question which has came in ESE in single correct type. So numerical method of identification of tool. You should remember it. Now coming on to ASA, American Standard Association. So यहाँ पे इन्होंने 6 types of angle को discuss किया है along with one nose radius. R is the nose radius in mm units. So पहले first two types are types of rake angles, then second two sets are of kind of relief angles, and third set is for cutting edge angles. So alpha B, alpha S, gamma S, C, CS, ये सब angles you should be knowing that. Now how to remember this designation, because यहाँ पर उन्होंने एग्जाम में बेसिकली वो एक ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे देंगे and you will be given a question to find different parameters such as shear, plane angle, and for cutting force requirements or cutting power. So आपको ये सब angles का use पड़ेगा वहाँ पे. So basically you have to pick the like back rake angle in finding the shear plane angle. So you have to remember this kind in order only. So basically we can see if we write 6 angles, so in the even positions we have subscripts of S in all the cases. So हम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं जैसे पहले we are want to have at first rake angles, so alpha B, then alpha S side rake angle, then gamma E, then gamma S side relief angle, then CE end cutting edge, then CS side cutting edge angle, then similarly R in mm. Now coming on to orthogonal rake system, here also we have 6 angles for designing the tool, but here we can see the nose radius will be given in inches unit. So I is the inclination angle, alpha is the orthogonal rake angle, gamma S is the side relief angle, gamma is the end relief angle, C is the end cutting edge angle, lambda is the approach angle or principal cutting edge angle. Now how you can remember ORS from ASA? So at first we will write ASA as alpha B, alpha S, gamma E, gamma S, CE, CS. It is easy to remember, so first we will write ASA system. Now orthogonal rake system बनाने के लिए basically what we will do? So first one would be the inclination angle you will write. Then alpha is the rake angle. Then we would be interchanging the positions of the relief angles. जैसे यहाँ पे गामा ही पहले था तो गामा ही यहाँ पे सेकंड पोजीशन में होगा रिलीफ एंगल के उसमें. सो यहाँ पे हमने इंटरचेंज कर दिया गामा ही को पोजीशन को और गामा एस के पोजीशन को इंटरचेंज कर दिया. नाउ एंड कटिंग एज एंगल में आएंगे हम तो सी को हम एज इट इज वी विल बी कीपिंग इट इन द 5th पोजीशन, बट सी एस वुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय प्रिंसिपल कटिंग एंड एंगल और अप्रोच एंगल. सो ये हो गया. तो बेसिकली दिस इज हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट ASA टू ORS, बिकॉज ASA आपका इजियर रिमेंबर करने के लिए है इसका टूल सिग्नेचर. नाउ हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट, जब क्वेश्चन में कुछ दिया ना हो कि ये ORS सिस्टम है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू ASA सिस्टम है. सो फर्स्ट मेथड, इफ दे हैव गिवन द यूनिट ऑफ टूल नोज रेडियस, सो यदि हमारा R का यूनिट हमको mm में दिया गया है, so we can directly take it as an ASA system, and if R is given in the inches unit, we will take it as an ORS system. If it's given, that's well and fine. If it's not given, then we will go to method 2. Now if we draw top view of our cutting tool, Now this is the principal cutting edge. Now this angle is the CS, that is side cutting edge angle, and this one is the approach angle, or we can say principal cutting edge angle lambda. Okay. Now since the cutting tool angles govern the tool life, so it has been found that the tool life variation with side cutting edge angle CS is given it increases then decreases. So maximum tool life आपको कहाँ मिल रहा है? Basically from 15 to 13 degree you are getting the maximum tool life. So we would be using in all the tools, basically we would trying to maintain the side cutting edge angle in between 15 to 13 degree. Now we can see from triangle ABC in the tool, CS plus lambda is equal to 90 degree, right angle triangle at B. So CS is varying between 15 to 13 degree, 30 degree. So similarly lambda would be varying between 60 degree to 75 degree. Now we have AS and ORS written as earlier, so हम अब दे सकते हैं जो फिफ्थ पोजीशन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट, ये हमारा साइड कटिंग एज एंगल है, सिक्स पोजीशन में हमारा लास्ट वाला है साइड कटिंग एज एंगल एंड लैम्डा अप्रोच एंगल है. तो CS would be lying between 15 to 30 degree. If last position of angles is lying between 15 to 30 degree, we can directly say it's an ASA system. And if the last position is varying between 75 to 60 degree, we can directly say it as an orthogonal rig system, and we can proceed with the question. So this was the method 2. Normally you have to see the method 2 only. Method units of nose radius is rarely given in the questions. Now in some questions they may directly ask in 1 or 2 numbers for the conversion of angles, one form to another. So देखते हैं. सबसे पहले हम A से के लिए हम we can write alpha B and alpha S. Then for ORS we can simply write first two one, inclination angle and alpha rake angle. Then lambda is our principal cutting edge angle or approach angle. Okay. Now for the trick you have to consider 3 cases you have to remember. Now see, if you are going in a straight path, then you will, or there may be you may be going in a cross path. Okay. Now when you are going in a straight path S, you will be using sine lambda, and where you are going in a cross path you will be using cos lambda. Now coming on to ESA to ORS जब हम कन्वर्जन करेंगे, so basically जिस एंगल को हम फाइंड करेंगे, then we have to take tan of that. This is the second case. Okay, then you would be knowing about IS, which is a dangerous community, which is a dangerous thing. Okay, so जहाँ भी हमको I मिलेगा और S मिलेगा, हम वहाँ पे नेगेटिव यूज करेंगे, which is symbol of dangerous. Okay, ये थर्ड पोजीशन केस हो गया. Now let's do some angle conversions. Now if I want to find tan alpha B, so I will be writing tan. Now alpha B should be written in the form of inclination angle and alpha, which is orthogonal rig angle. So for inclination angle I would be going straight, so sine, so tan I sine lambda. Now positive. Now for alpha I would be going in a cross way, so tan alpha cos lambda. Similarly, if I will write for tan alpha s, सो हमें tan alpha s रिटर्न किसके फॉर्म में करना है, इंक्लिनेशन एंड ऑर्थोगोनल एक एंगल में। तो हम ऑर्थोगोनल एक एंगल के लिए कैसे जाएंगे, स्ट्रेट जाएंगे। हम लिखेंगे कि tan अल्फा स्ट्रेट गए हैं, साइन लैम्डा। अब यहाँ पे यू कैन सी s इज देयर, so we will be taking a negative sign. So how you will go to inclination angle in a cross way? So tan I cos lambda. Now अभी भी आपको समझ नहीं आया तो we can again do for inclination angle. Let's say we do for inclination angle. So first you will write tan, क्योंकि ऑर्थोगोनल से ऐसे कभी भी जाएंगे इंटरचेंज भी करेंगे तो हम tan यूज करेंगे। सो वी विल राइट tan I. Now I is there, I or s, so we will be taking negative sign in between. Okay. Now coming on to for I, अल्फा b यानी के लिए हम स्ट्रेट पाथ यूज करेंगे। सो tan अल्फा b sin lambda. Now for alpha s, we will be doing a cross path. Now this is we have find it would be negative, that tan alpha s cos gamma. Similarly we will writing for tan alpha, so tan alpha s straight path sin lambda positive, tan alpha b cross path cos lambda. Now one may ask, we are basically trying to convert ORS to ASA और ASA to ORS. तो हम इंक्लिनेशन एंगल को ASA के सिस्टम्स में विद रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं एंड ORS को ASA टूल एंगल्स के इसमें रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं। सो दिस आर द 4 equations that one should remember. It can come in 1 or 2 marks in GATE EAC. Thank you.